is the Pure Electric Pure Advance Flex Electric Folding Scooter. Now, I love that it has these foot pads either side of the chassis, as it means you'll be standing in a forward-facing position as you go, making it both safer and easier to drive. It also has Pure Control steering system for a smooth ride without you experiencing any jitters. It just returns the handlebars to the centre once you have turned, helping you to always stay in control. And it has a compact design which lets you fully fold it, so storing or packing it in the car for your holiday will never be an issue. It has a 500-watt motor, giving you plenty of power, as well as responsive acceleration with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. You have 3 power modes to choose from too, depending on how you want to ride. Now, these include pedestrian, normal and high. You also get just under 25 miles of riding on one single charge, and it can be fully charged in just under 6 hours, so it's perfect for an overnight charging session. You also get these pulsing rear and front indicators to help those know around you which direction you're going to be going in.